So this is going to be an unboxing video of Haramain Lavender. It's one that a lot of people have been saying is probably the best Aventus clone out there. So I've never tried it. I'm curious to see how it's going to fare up. So this is probably the only other Aventus clone I have. So we'll match it against that as in terms of how good it is as a clone. And then obviously we've got the proper Aventus there as well, so we can match it up to that as well. So we'll get on an unboxing now. Move these out of the way. It literally turned up about 15 minutes ago, maybe, something like that. Not long. Just time for me to remove the address labels and stuff like that. Ooh. Be careful. I'll end up chopping my fingers off. Got this off of eBay. I think it was £34, I think, something like that. So you know, it's not a dirt cheap clone, but it's not. Okay. So they stuck it in a big massive envelope. Okay. So the packaging, is that wood? Plasticky sort of box. Yeah, the packaging seems okay, quite heavy. Not really anything to note on there, so we'll just get it open. Like I say, I'm quite curious because everyone seems to think the Haramain is the best one, but then a lot of people are saying this is the best one. So we'll soon find out. So opens up like that. Oh look. Ooh, what's that we put in there? Lavender Blanche. Okay. Don't know if everyone gets that or whether they've just done it for me. Well, obviously they couldn't have just done it for me because it was sealed, so I'm surprised everyone gets this. Looks like it's leaked everywhere as well. Unless they don't fill the samples up properly. Oh, Jesus, what's in there? It's a bit stiff. Yeah, I don't know. They didn't send a lot, did they? But anyway, we'll go back to that one in a minute. Because I believe that's the Silver Man in Water one, I believe. We'll have a sniff of that one in a minute. God damn it. That was in there a bit stiff. So the bottle, obviously just like a big mirror. I mean, look at that, fingerprints all over it already. Don't want you to get it out, do I? So I'll just have a little. That's a good sprayer on that. Yeah, okay. So I'll just spray that on my hand. So straight off the bat, I'd say that in the opening is probably better than Club Nouillet Intense, like a lot better. Yeah, I mean neither of them are spot on to Aventus, neither of them are perfect Aventus clone. Just from what I'm saying right now, I need to wear this one fully and bring a proper update on that. But in the opening it's better than Club Nouillet Intense. Club Nouillet Intense for me is like the dry down of Aventus from the start. You don't really get anything other than just the dry down. For me anyway. That's why I don't really like to use this. not that it's bad, it's just, you know, I just want a bit more than that. Well, this one is a lot more fruited in the opening. I'm getting like this, well, I don't know what it is really. I think it could be lemon, but I don't know. So yeah, even this one is not identical to Aventus in the opening, but it's closer than that so far anyway. But like I say, this is just a quick video, just have a quick overview of it, an unboxing, first impression. If you're looking for an Aventus clone right now, as of Saturday morning, 20th of January, I believe it's the 20th, is it 19th, 20th, 2018, I'd recommend that over that. They're both pretty good value, and I guess it just depends what you like. This one, the Haramain, is probably going to be better if you prefer the dry down stage of Aventus a bit more. I guess this one will probably be a bit better if you like the whole overall Aventus vibe. From what I can tell so far, like I say, neither of them are really spot on to Aventus in the opening, but this one is a bit closer. I'd give this one probably, just in the opening alone, I'd give this, the Haramain, probably about 65 to 70%. I'd give this one about 80. So they're quite close, but this one is just a little bit closer to the proper breed. So it also depends on the value as well, you know. I mean, this one you can pick up for, I've seen it as low as like £20, sometimes lower than that. So, you know, if this one is cheaper, just get that, because like I say, there's not a great deal of difference in it. But if you want an authentic breed sort of feel, then just pay the extra and get this one. I paid 34. I believe that's the kind of standard price for it right now. So yeah, like I say, it depends on what your budget is as well. But I'd recommend both of these over, you know, like cheaper stuff like Crest or any of them SDR ones or anything like that. So even though Haramain, SDR, they all come under that sterling, they're all at different levels, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't go that cheap and expect anything decent. So yeah, like I say, I mean, it all comes down to your budget. So as of today, I'm recommending the Haramain, but I'm going to wear it a little bit, test it out a bit more, and I can give you a better update on that. This is just a quick video. I just thought I'd get it off my mind, because it's a good way for me to keep a record of things as well, because the amount of businessy things I have to do in my life, I forget things quite easily. But at least if it's on video, I can always come back to it and refresh my memory. So yeah, that was the unboxing. I'm going to upload a few more videos today. I've got some new stuff I've purchased as well, other than this, so keep an eye out for those. They should be coming up in the next few hours as well. So yeah, keep an eye out for the new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.